Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to answer the question, if I have an IRS tax problem, will I be dealing with ACS, Automated Collection Services, or will I be dealing with a revenue officer? Well, the answer to that is that it depends, and it depends on a lot of things, but I can say pretty much categorically that if you have an IRS problem, and it could be balance due, it can be a unfiled tax return or unfiled tax returns plural, that you're going to be dealing initially with ACS, Automated Collection Services. Typically, Automated Collection Services works by sending out predetermined, predefined IRS notices. So it's all done by the computer. They're going to send you a series of letters if you owe money, asking you to pay, each letter more threatening than the next, until eventually they might file what's called a final notice of intent to levy. If you haven't filed your tax returns, they're going to keep sending you reminders. Hey, we still haven't received your tax return. Hey, we haven't received your tax return and we're getting ready to prepare this tax return for you. If you agree with it, don't do anything. If you don't agree, file your tax return. So these are all automated sequences that come from Automated Collection Services. Now, if the problem as it relates to the IRS and as they perceive the problem, if the problem exists and persists long enough and the problem has a big enough dollar amount, it might very well be that the IRS assigns your case from ACS, Automated Collection Services, to a revenue officer. When it's assigned to a revenue officer, that's an individual that has now been tasked with working this case and bringing it to some type of resolution. So if it gets to a revenue officer, they're the ones that you're going to have to deal with. Your chances at this point of working with ACS is over with because it's assigned to a revenue officer. So that is it for today, where I discuss the question, am I going to be working with ACS Automated Collection Services or directly with a revenue officer? I appreciate you stopping by, and I look forward to visiting with you again real soon.